Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can create an account. It's easy and simple. First, open Chrome browser or any other. And go to. You should see a logo question mark and profile icon. So we need to press on profile icon here. And the new menu pops up, and press on create account. You can basically create an account with your iCloud email, Gmail, Facebook and more. I will do a manual way. So select control region. And then select your date of birth. And then press next. And then put your email. And then enter your email. And then your ID. And then password. Your password must contain the following: 8-64 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number. And then press next. And then you can set off profile visibility. For example, let's do my friend. And then create account. And then you will get your verification code on your email. So as you can see here, I just got a verification code. We need to put it and paste it here. Press next. And as you can see, you're done. Your account is verified and you're ready to go.